What's up, YouTube? Alright, this bird right here, it just crashed into my window. I was sitting in my living room. This bird crashed into my window. I don't know exactly what kind of bird this is. So I'm making this video to see if anybody out there could tell me exactly what does this mean. Because I've been looking on Google to see the spiritual meaning of this bird hitting my window, and I've been getting a lot of information, so I don't really know exactly which way to run with this message, but that's why I'm making this video, so hopefully any one of y'all out there could possibly let me know what's going on with this. This happened like about, I'm gonna say 30 minutes ago, and he's still just sitting right by my door. He's alive, and I'm not really sure if he's hurt. I don't think he's hurt or nothing, but he's just sitting there. You can see he's blinking. Yeah, so yeah, this bird crashed into my window. So if anybody knows the spiritual meaning behind this, feel free to hit me in the comment section and let me know. Thank you.